In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a background image in PowerPoint 2010. Whether you're prepping for a presentation at work or putting together a slide deck for school, a well-chosen background can really make your slides pop. Let's dive right in, and I'll walk you through each step to make your presentation stand out. First things first, we need to open PowerPoint on your computer. Go ahead and launch the application. Once it's open, navigate to the PowerPoint presentation where you want to insert your background image. If you haven't created a presentation yet, feel free to open a blank slide just so you can practice these steps with me. Now that you have your presentation open, let's move to the specific slide where you'd like to add your background image. Simply click on the slide in the thumbnail list on the left side of your screen. When you have your desired slide selected, it's time to make some changes. Right click on your selected slide. This will bring up a context menu with a variety of options. From this menu, you'll want to select Format Background. When you click on it, a helpful panel will appear on the right side of your screen, giving you access to different background formatting options. In this panel, look for and select the option labeled Picture or Texture Fill. This choice will open up a set of options that allow you to insert a picture or texture as a background. Just a small tip here, using a picture background can add depth and interest to your slide, but make sure it doesn't distract from your main content. Now you should see an insert button within that panel. Click on it and you will be given the choice to select an image either from your PC or from stock images. For this demonstration, we'll choose stock images. Stock images are great because they offer a wide variety of high quality pictures that can complement your slide theme. After selecting stock images, a new window will open, letting you browse through various categories. Take a moment to find a background that fits the theme and message of your presentation. When you find one you like, select it. Once you're happy with your choice, go ahead and click on the Insert button. PowerPoint will automatically set your chosen picture as the background for the slide. You can preview the slide to ensure that the image looks good with your text and other content. And there you have it, your slide now has a background image that adds a professional touch to your presentation. Experiment with different images and adjust as needed to get the perfect look. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to make your presentations shine.